Welcome to our introduction to ASP.NET Core 8.0. ASP.NET Core is a versatile cross-platform framework designed for building cloud-based web applications. It boasts high performance and a modular architecture, allowing developers to create scalable applications across various operating systems. In the latest version, ASP.NET Core 8 introduces several exciting features. Enhanced performance leads to faster applications with lower memory usage. The introduction of minimal APIs simplifies development for smaller applications. Additionally, built-in support for OpenAPI makes API documentation and testing more accessible, while improved Blazor of features enhance the development of interactive user interfaces. One of the standout benefits of ASP.NET Core is its cross-platform capability. This flexibility allows developers to choose their preferred development environments and reach a broader audience across different platforms. With multiple deployment options like Azure, AWS, and Docker, deploying applications has never been easier. ASP.NET Core is open source and actively developed by a vibrant community, which means it benefits from continuous improvements and contribution. The rich ecosystem surrounding it provides numerous libraries, tools, and resources, ensuring that developers have strong support through active forums and comprehensive documentation. In conclusion, ASP.NET Core 8 offers powerful enhancements that improve performance and simplify the development process. We encourage you to explore its features that start building your next web application today.